Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot any iPhone with any issues that you have. You want to follow these steps, the go-to steps when it comes to troubleshooting any iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So first thing is, whenever you're having any issues, I like to just pull down that control menu or pull it up and put your phone on airplane mode. And this is a great way to fix any network related issue. So go ahead and turn that off. After you do it for 10-15 seconds, you're going to turn it on and off. The next thing to do is go ahead and updating apps. If it's an app related issue, what you're going to do is go to the App Store and then search for that app, or go to your profile and then look for app updates for upcoming updates. So if you see an update that you want to do, you can update all of the apps. This fixes pretty much app related issue, which are always good to do. So go ahead and update that or search for that app, and if there's an update, go ahead and update it. And once the app are updated, we're going to move on to the next troubleshooting step, which is going to be making sure your phone's iOS is also up to date, the software. So in your setting, you're going to go to General and then go to Software Update and look for to see if there's an update. Here, as you can see, I'm all up to date, but if you see the word update, go ahead and update to the version. Now, after you update it, the next thing you're going to look for is a carrier update, which is different from a software update. For that, you're going to have to go into the About page, wait here about 10-15 seconds, and see if there's a pop-up menu that says update your carrier setting. You might see one, you might not, depending if your carrier pushed out an update. If you don't see one after 10-15 seconds, that's fine. If you see one, go ahead and click on update. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is in your setting, check out General and then iPhone storage. You want to make sure the storage that you have on your iPhone is not maxed out. Basically, you want some at least 10 gigs or so free. Now, if you're seeing that you're almost at full storage, delete some photos, videos, apps as well to clear up storage, because sometimes apps and other applications will need storage in order to function correctly. And if it's already maxed out, you might see issues, even like phone being slow, not loading correctly, and all sorts of issues. Now, the next thing you're going to do is this method here. I'm going to show you. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button. So I'm going to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button and keep on holding it. This is going to be known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software, which we'll see, and then restarts and reloads the code. So as you can see here, I'm holding it down and I let go once I see the black Apple logo. Again, if it doesn't work the very first time, try again. All you're doing is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. This method will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. This is going to be one of those troubleshooting steps that fixes a lot of software related issues if you're experiencing them. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to do is in your setting, you're going to go to General and then scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone and click on the first reset option. Now, depending on the troubleshooting you're doing, you want to reset each of the one that applies to your case. Reset all settings will be your main one that will reset all the settings but not delete any of your data. If you're having network related issue, for example, Bluetooth connectivity issue, your cellular issue, any of those network related issue, Wi-Fi issues are going to be the reset for network setting that you want to do. If you're having any issues with the keyboard dictionary, even the keyboard itself, you want to go ahead and reset the keyboard dictionary. If you're having any issues with your writing styles, specifically if you're using a pen for iPad or even any other like typing, writing thing, you want to reset that. If you're having your home screen layout, maybe you can't find the app or apps are missing, you want to reset that one. If you're having any location issue, maybe you can't share your location or it doesn't know your location, or any privacy issues, for example, apps not having access to your camera, photos, or videos, or microphone, you want to do that. And of course, to reset all of them, you would just reset all settings. However, none of these will delete any of your actual data like photos, videos, apps, but again, a quick way to troubleshoot as well. And those are going to be all of your troubleshooting that you need to do. And I hope by following these troubleshooting steps, you can fix any issue you're having on your iPhone. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks like this. We'll see you guys next time.